Hello. Here's my dog.
Yeah, it was stupid and everything, but losing a leg is not something that you would ever want to have happen to you.
No.
It's also a very good cautionary tale about why you shouldn't do something as stupid as he did.
Yeah.
99 times out of 100, nothing would happen.
I have a new light bulb. I'm just giving you a tour. So that's how I go. Jeez. And this is Ian's gaming PC. My PlayStation 4. Oh. There's a controller. Nintendo Switch. The thing for these things right here. Ow. I'm recording. Jeez. It's gonna come off.
Blow my leg off!
I blew my leg off. I'm gonna blow my leg off.
Please get out of my room, Leon.
I like staying here. Mount. Why
Please
is
get
it?
out.
It's red.
Yeah, there's purple light.
And this is the end zone.
You
PC.
please get out. Third and final warning.
Another LED. Oh, blew my leg off. This is my TV. You can't see it well. And this is our gaming PC. And the monitor, which is, we're getting a new one, and we're getting a graphics card for the PC. And this is the mouse, boring, stupid cup. This is, I don't like this. And this is my school laptop. This is a Dell PC. This is an HP laptop, and of course I'm just watching some works. See if I got any notifications. Dang it. Okay, let's check again. Dang it, okay. And that's the mouse for the laptop. It's pretty cool.
I'm watching Andy Crawford. Come on.
Hey, Gethin, say hi.
Here. Dish soap, but it's antibacterial, so it's very good.
Ah, ew. Crap.
Here, give me a-
Big bubble.
It's quite the bubble you've got there.
From coffee. Major son, Major son. Here's my dog. Hi, Millie. Millie. No, we ate pizza earlier. This is my cat. And I have another one. I don't know where he went. Sometimes he opened. There he is. Hi. Hi. Money, stop. Hello. It's me. And I need to drink something. That's my brother. This is what he's playing right now, of course. Oh, I'm having a seizure. Jeez, no, you're not. Okay, I'm gonna go back downstairs. Now, it's me. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.